When we write in academic English, we use more formal language. This language includes more formal structures such as the passive, complex sentences, and that clauses. The passive. In IELTS Writing Task 2, academic tone is crucial. That's where the passive voice shines. It helps you sound more objective and formal. We can use the passive when we want to focus on the action and not the person or thing that did or caused the action. Take a look at these examples. The goods are shipped to the other side of the world. The fish are taken from the sea in a net. Use the passive when the action matters more than the person doing it, especially in formal reports or process descriptions. Complex sentences. To get a band 7 or higher, you need to use a range of complex sentence structures. A complex sentence is a sentence with two clauses. One of those clauses is independent, which means that it makes sense on its own without the other clause. The second clause is a dependent clause, which means that without the other clause, it makes no sense. Remember that a clause is a part of a sentence with a subject and verb. Look at this example. Although they were planted, the weather caused the crops to die. Although they were planted is the dependent clause because it makes no sense on its own. The weather caused the crops to die is the independent clause because it makes sense on its own. We can create complex sentences with conjunctions such as if, unless, although, while, when, even though, as, and because. Take a look at these examples. Because the drought lasted so long, crops were damaged. While the rain fell, the farmers tried to harvest the crops. Unless food prices go down, this year's profits should be high. We can create complex sentences with relative clauses or participle clauses. For example, people who grow their own vegetables are increasing in number. Those people growing their own food are less dependent on others. I've created separate videos on relative clauses and participle clauses, so check it out on our playlist in the description. This kind of sentence shows clear logic and connection between ideas, something IELTS examiners love. Another powerful structure is the that clause, which is often used after reporting verbs and adjectives. A that clause is often used in academic writing. Verbs in a that clause include believe, think, agree, state, and conclude. Look at these examples. I believe that people should do more to fight the problem of hunger. It is agreed that convenience food is affecting our health. It can be concluded that cholesterol is both good and bad. In academic English, we usually include that in the sentence, even though we can leave it out and often do when we speak. This structure helps you express opinions and beliefs in a formal, academic way. Now it's your turn. Try this 10-item quiz. Choose the most formal and academic version of each sentence. Pause if you need time, and check your answers at the end. Are you ready? Let's go! How did you do? Did you get a perfect score? Awesome. If not to worry. Let's do better next time. On the next episode of the Mastering IELTS series, we will dive into the modal subobligation. If you find this video helpful, do like and share this video. Subscribe and click the bell button to be notified of new videos. Check out our other videos in this playlist and in the description below. See you on the next video.